going to stick my head in it. It smells lovely in here. Ooh. Let's install the washer. Yeah, installing washing machine for me, my lad. Brand new washing machine for me, my lad. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. Bet they can get it to Bucky's. What's this for? Some instructions. Wow! What an experience. Timber. Got a bit of timber there. I've got to let it go to room temperature because the washing machine's cold. It's got to go to room temperature. Got a brand new. Fuck it, I'm off to CEX. Ah, my fingers. My fucking fingers. Fucking hell, you got to be careful washing machines when they take your fingers off. No, I'm not going to take it to CEX. What the fuck? If you pay cheap, you pay twice. Well, I won't get the nuts out, it's just got to get the right grip. These are no fucking good. Fucking, I've got the wrong tools, man. Well, I could no point plugging it in, it won't work till I take them out. That's no fucking good. I'll have to buy a fucking drill. Or something, I don't fucking know. Let's see if I can get the fucking bolts out of the fucking washer. I'm like a fucking idiot. I might end up fucking shredding the nut. Make it worse. That's no good. Well, that's fucking good, innit? I'll have to use laundrette next week. Yeah. I'll have to use fucking laundrette next fucking week, £9 wash. I think that one's loose. I've got one loose. That one's loose. It's fucking solid. Why would they put the bolts on fucking solid? Why? I need a pressure fucking drill. Yeah. Let me shut blinds, I'll people looking in laughing. Look, that is got a washing machine, they didn't get it installed. For sake of £25, I could have got it installed now. This one's fucking solid. I can't loosen the fucking nut. That's solid, mate. You know what I should have done? Well, hindsight, I could have said to the blokes, can you loosen me to the transport bolts? I'm actually going to install it myself, but can you loosen me with the bolts? They might have had a fucking tool in the wagon. If I was in the Bucky's right now, I'd be doing me bollocks in. I bet someone at the factory saying, who's this for? SeasideMARK? Tighten the fucking bolts on it. Can't fucking use the washing machine. Might as well have as a paperweight. Hold down my papers. I'll have to use laundrette next week. Fucking hell. Why put them on solid, man? I need a spanner. I need a fucking bag of spanners. It's good job I'm not in the Bucky's. Probably be doing me bollocks in. Hey, it's good job I'm not installing it for somebody else. Right. But make sure you don't shred the fucking nut. No, that's solid. That's solid, mate. Let's have a look. Hey. Oh, smells brand new in there. Why does it come with a spanner? Hey, it smells nice in there. I'm gonna stick my fucking head in it. Yeah. I'm gonna stick my head in it. It smells lovely in here. Nadu, nadu. Nadu, nadu. Smells lovely in here. Ooh. Smells brand new in there. No, that's all right. Yeah. Oh shit. Fucking hell. Come on, please. Oh, fucking that's ripping up in it. Fucking coffee towels, aren't they? Yeah. I bet the fucking what the cheap ones. Yeah. Good corners.